Hi there, thank you for tuning in. Hope you're fine and dandy today. I'm Andrea from JingerPips, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a turmeric shot. Now, turmeric shots are truly invigorating for the body, great way to start the day, and your body will absolutely love you for it. There's 4 ingredients in a turmeric shot. The most important, the magic ingredient, is turmeric. Now this is what a turmeric root looks like. Looks a bit like a witchetty grub. The active ingredient in turmeric is actually what gives it this lovely orangey colour. And oh my word, there is absolutely nothing that this turmeric root can't do. It's been proven to have a powerful anti-inflammatory effect on the body, which basically means it reduces inflammation, which is really good considering it's thought that most illnesses and ailments come from too much inflammation in the body. It's been proven to be effective as at least 14 different types of prescription medicines. In lab studies, it's been shown to kill cancer cells. Now the only problem is with curcumin, which is the active ingredient in turmeric, is that it has a real problem being absorbed into the body, which is why we need our second ingredient in this turmeric shot. The second ingredient is black pepper. Seems a bit strange, but the active ingredient in black pepper actually helps the body absorb the curcumin better. The third ingredient in these turmeric shots is either a lemon or a lime. It's completely up to you which you use. If you are fortunate enough to be able to use organic fruit in this, when you're making your turmeric shot, don't bother peeling it. Also, when you're making this, keep your fruit at room temperature because they actually give off more juice like that. If they're cold, you'll have a bit of a job getting the juice out of them. The final ingredient in a turmeric shot is green apples, purely because they are lower in sugar, and my experience showed that they actually give more juice, which can only be a good thing. So when we're making these turmeric shots, what will we need? Juicer, chopping board, knife, and a shot glass. Okay, so let's crack on. So to make 2 shots, I would probably have 2 witchetty grub things like this, about this size, to put them in. I would use about half a lemon. Again, I'm leaving the skin on mine. You don't have to if they are not organic. An apple and a really good grinding of black pepper. So I'm just gonna crack on now. Juicer time. See this lovely yellow coming through? That's all the turmeric. Now the turmeric is actually used by some to dye clothes. So you definitely don't want this stuff on you because it will stain and it will make you look like a 40-a-day smoker. So try not to touch it. So now we've got our resulting liquid, we just need to add in our black pepper. Like I've said before, this is what makes it readily absorbable by the body. So just a good couple of grounds in there. Swirl it around and then tip it into your shot glasses. Now it might seem a bit of a faff getting the juicer out, having to wash it just for one simple shot like this. So what I do is make up a couple of days worth at a time and just keep them in the fridge. If you've got a cold pressed juicer, they generally last between 2 and 4 days by doing this. Another way of making sure you've got a ready supply of these shots without having to get your juicer out every day would be simply to make them and then freeze them. Take them out the day before so it's ready in the morning. I've obviously shown you today how to make a turmeric shot using a juicer. You can actually make these as well using a blender. This is done by simply popping all the ingredients into your blender, whizzing it up and then sieving the resulting liquid through a nut milk bag. This simply removes all the fibre and just leaves you with the juice. If you haven't got a juicer or a blender, you can still make these yourself. Simply mix some apple juice with some lemon juice and add in a generous teaspoon worth of organic turmeric powder. Right, so I'm going to taste it now. That's really nice. If somebody had asked me about a year ago if I'd like a shot to drink, I would have thought of something completely different, and now it's turmeric shots all the way. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you would like to see more videos that I'm making, please subscribe to this channel. If you want to be notified of any future videos, please press the big red bell button. I have actually made a video already on making ginger shots, so if you're interested in that, hop over to my YouTube channel and it's all there. Okay, other than that, I'll see you next time. Bye!